Okay, so subong ma-solve the series parallel ng circuit. Pero ang given tanan is resistance. So if may encounter mo ni, ano himuon mo? First, i-identify mo anay ang resistors. So this is R sub 1, R sub 2, R sub 3, R sub 4, R sub 5, and R sub 6. Pero, ang amo niyo is R sub 7, R sub 9, R sub 8, and R sub 9. So, wala ni kat-kat, diretso lang yun eh. So, consider mo ni sila resistors. Kay ang resistor 1 kag resistor 2 ara sa resistor 7. Yeah. So, isa na yung given. So, R sub 1 is 30 ohms. R sub 2 is 75 ohms. Isulat ko na lang. 30 ohms. R sub 3, R sub 4 is 15 ohms. R sub 5 is 50 ohms. R sub 6 is 60 ohms. So, isolve ta ni ang R sub 7, R sub 8, and R sub 9. So, paano ito na-isolve? Isolve ta kay series parallel circuit ni sa. So, in respect to each other, series ni sila. Pero, in respect to R sub 1 and R sub 2, you can consider this a series circuit. But in respect to R sub 1 and R sub 3, you can consider them parallel to each other. So, isolve ta sila anay. So, resistance. Oh my gosh, wala. Spelling. Tulo ko sa camera. Okay. So, let's solve for R sub 7. R sub 7 is R sub 1 plus R sub 2. R sub 1 plus R sub 2. Amo lang gina kung paano mo i-solve. So, 30 ohms plus 75 ohms. That will give you 105 ohms. R sub 7 is 105 ohms. Now, let's proceed to R sub 8. R sub 8 consists of R sub 3 and R sub 4. So, R sub 3 plus R sub 4 is equals to 30 ohms plus 15 ohms. That will give you 45 ohms. So, R sub 8 is 45 ohms. Nga, so mamangot ko mga agin butang nga para mag-solve ka R sub 7, yung butang ko R sub 1 kag R sub 2. Because R sub 1 and R sub 2 is R sub 7. Ang bilog ni is R sub 7. Kay makonsider mo ni sa resistor mo. Kay I forgot the term pero makonsider mo ni sa resistor. Ang duwagid. So, R sub 8 is 45 ohms. Let's proceed to R sub 9. If given, syempre ang resistance, masolve tas ang resistance first. Pero, para better intindihan mo gid if ano ang kulang, then, ibutang mo na yung given. Okay, mabari na mo if, depende if ano ibutang either voltage, current, or resistance. So, in this case, resistance na lang ang given. So, resistance man isolve mo. Yung una-una ang resistance isolve mo. So, R sub 9 is equals to R sub 5 plus R sub 6. So, 50 ohms. R sub 5 is 50 ohms. R sub 6 is 60 ohms. That will give you 110 ohms. R sub 9 is 110 ohms. So, ano ni din, after ni, ano din himuunta. Himuunta tayo is masolve ta for total resistance. So, 1 over R sub 7 plus R sub 1 over R sub 8 plus 1 over r sub 9. Amo malanggit ni need mo i-solve. Kay, di ba ang r, for example, yung r sub 1 and r sub 2, that will make up resistor 7. So, resistor 7, resistor 8, resistor 9. So, amo na lang gid na i-solve mo. Hindi mo na pag-ibutan nga r sub 1, 1 over r sub 1, 1 over plus 1 over r sub 2. No need na magbutang. Ibutang mo lang gid kung ano niyo ang isa ni ka resistor. Ano na sa nga resistor bala. Like, to amo ni balaw. Like, 1 over r sub 7. Sorry, gabi, hindi ko may explain kay gabi nakagtuyo na gid ko ya. Okay, so 1 over, ang R sub 7 to is 105 ohms plus 1 over R sub 8 is 45 ohms plus 1 R sub 9 to is 110 ohms. Okay, so divide na 1 divided by 105 is 9.5. Ang gintudlo ko sa last video was, for example, makita mo niya ma-move ta 3 places to the left. So, may mo na siya nga, for example, 9.5 so times 10 na diyo, times 10 raised to the power of negative 3. Ma-move ka na 3 spaces left. Okay, negative so 1, 2, 3. So may mo, ibutang mo na diyo 0, 0, 0. So may mo na sa 0.009. Wala na ng 5, i-discard na. Sorry. Sorry, may 5 pa na di. Oh, wait. Yeah. I know. Wala na 5, sorry. Wala 5. So, plus 1 divided by 45. That will give you 0.02. Oh yeah, may 5. Sorry, may 5 nandiyo. So, magawa na 0.0095. Tapos there is 0.022 plus 1 divided by 110. That will give you, again, diba? Makita niyo. Okay, so ang imo ang taliwat is same lang. So that will give us 0.009 lang. Okay, tupad yun is 0. Oh, sorry. Ma-round up ta by 1 o ma-round up ta kay 9 ang tupad ya. So, mo 1 is so. So, ang wain na is 0.0091. Siyempre mo butang tayo unit which is ohms. I-add ta na nanay. So, 0.0095 plus 0.022 plus 0.0091. That will give us 0.0406 ohms. Pero wala pa tatapos because as you can see may 1 pa na diyo. So ang gusto talang mabilin is r sub t. So ano mo unta? Again, ma-divide. May 1 na di sa babaw. So i-divide ta lang na by 1. So 1 divided by 0.0406, that will give you 24.63 ohms. So that is your R sub T. So your total resistance is 24.63 ohms. So, ano na din ang isolve ta? So, masolve ta for current. Masolve ta for current. So, paano ta ni sa himuon? So, Ohm's law ng Japan. Pero, solion ta. Ang ginapangita ta, diba, is current. So, for example, ginapangita tang I sub 7. Ginapangita tang I sub 7. So, I sub 7 is equals to V sub 7 divided by R sub 7. I sub 7, pila ang resistance ni I sub 7? 105 ohms. 105 ohms. Sorry. Sa laobotang. Okay, we start tayo. I sub 7 is equals to R sub 7 is 105 ohms. 105 ohms. Ang voltage naman ni V sub 7 is ang total voltage mo. Because in a parallel circuit, a parallel circuit is a current divider. So, the voltage will remain the same throughout the resistors. So, R sub 7, 24 volts, R sub 8, 24 volts, R sub 9, 24 volts also. Kay, same lang sila din voltage because ang parallel circuit is a current divider, not a voltage divider. So, V sub 7 is 24 volts. Divide na lang. 24 divided by 105. That will give you 0.22. Actually, 0.228. So, ma-round up ta. 0.23 amperes. Solve na ang I sub 7. So, I sub 7 is 0.23 amperes. Since ang R sub 7 kasi consists of R sub 1 and R sub 2, automatically, ang current ni I sub 7, same na kay I sub 1 at I sub 2. Because I sub 1 and I sub 2, because resistor 1 and resistor 2 make up resistor 7. So, automatically, they share the same current with each other. So, I sub 7 is 0.23 amperes also. I sub 1 is 0.23 amperes and I sub 2 is 0.23 amperes also. Because as I said, R sub 7 consists of R sub 1 and R sub 2. So, same na sila current. So, masolve naman ta for I sub 8. So, ang current ni I sub 8, automatically, same kay I sub 3 and I sub 4. So, I sub 8 is equals to V sub 8 over R sub 8. V sub 8 is 24 volts because ang voltage per resistor is the same with the total voltage. So 24 volts divided by R sub 8. So R sub 8 is 45 amperes. 45 ohms. So 24 divided by 45, that will give you 0.53 amperes. So, okay, let's move on to I sub 9. I sub 9. So, ibutang tanay. I sub 8 is is 0.53 amperes. 0.53 amperes. Automatically, ang I sub 3 and I sub 4 is 0.53 amperes also. So let's move on to I sub 9. I sub 9 is equals to V sub 9 over R sub 9. So V sub 9 is 24 volts. R sub 9 is 110 ohms. I sub 9, 24 volts. Divide na lang. 24 divided by 110. That will give you 0.22 amperes. Maround up ta. So I sub 9 is 0.22 amperes. Automatically, I sub 5 and I sub 6, same lang sila. Current ni I sub 9. 0.22 amperes and 0.22 amperes. So, masolve ta for the total current. So, I sub T is equals to V sub T over R sub T. Di ba may total voltage at total resistance, total current na lang ang kulang. So, amo na i-solve ta. 24 volts, amo na ang total voltage ta. While our total resistance is 24.63 ohms. Divide na lang. 24 divided by 24.63. 0.27 amperes. So, your total current is 0.97 amperes. So, we add ta. Current 7 is 0.23 plus current 8, 0.53 plus ang current 9 is 0.22. That will give you 0.98. Okay lang if ma-decrease sa by 1 or ma-increase sa by 1 because may slight margin of error ta. So, ang margin of error naga-base na sa pag-round up mo or round off. So, tsakto mo sa Japon kay fit sa margin error nga increase or decrease by 1. Okay, so let's move on to voltage. Our total voltage is 24 volts. As I said, a parallel circuit shares the same voltage with all of the resistors. So, ang total voltage mo same lang na sa voltage ka resistor 7, resistor 8, and resistor 9. So, no need na mag-solve. Resistor 7 up to 9 is 24 volts. So, masolve na ta for V sub 1 to V sub 6. V sub 1 is equals to V equals IR, Ohm's law. So, ang I sub 1 to is 0.23 amperes. Multiply lang by ang first nga resistance is ang R sub 1 ta butang ko ng formula para makitaan gid. Okay. So ang R sub 1 ta dayon 30 ohms. Multiply ta lang dayon. So 0.23 multiplied by 30, that will give you 6.9 volts. V sub 1 is 6.9 volts. So V sub 2 naman ta. So this is our voltage. V sub 2 is I sub 2. So sorry, I sub 2. Multiply R sub 2. So, V sub 2 is equals to, ang I sub 2 is, ang sa I sub 2 ta is 0.23 ampere still. While ang R sub 2 ta is 75 ohms. So, 0.23 times 75. That will give you 17.25 volts. So, if i-add na ni sila, 17.25 plus 6.9, that will give you 24.15 volts. So, tsakto ang pagsuma ta ka voltage nila. Kaysa V sub 7, di ba? 24 volts. So, ang kakonsist ang V sub ang sa R sub 7, ang unod din at is 24 volts. So, ang kakonsist ang R sub 7 is R sub 1 and R sub 2, di ba? So, ang ang voltage ka, R sub 1 ta is 6.9 volts and R sub 2 ta is 17.25 volts. If i-add na sila, magwa na 24.15. Dapat gamatcha ang total voltage. So, padayon mo lang na-solve. Then, what's important is tupong mo sa total voltage. Always remember nga may margin of error ta. Ang margin of error ta is either ga increase by 1 or ga decrease by 1. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.